Hi, my name's Karen E. Wells and welcome to Module 1 on this Parallel Quantum Lives course. Now, Module 1 is all about looking at what are parallel quantum lives. You might already have an idea of this if you are familiar with past life regression, future life regression, between lives regression, but if you've come to this to just basically explore your own lives, then you might really have no idea what it is that I'm talking about. So, parallel quantum lives follows the theory, which is really a reality, that we are living many different incarnations and that's all at the same time. Now, those of you that are into past life regression, and even if you've experienced that yourself, in a way it's quite the foundation of regression therapy. But it's quite basic. It follows the theory of reincarnation, which means that you live your life, you die, you come back then to learn another lesson, you live that life, you die, your soul then reincarnates into another body, and so it follows linear time, if you like. Now, many times in the past, particularly when I was first learning past life regression, I had some clients of mine where the actual dates didn't quite match up. They might say that they died in an incarnation and it was something like 10 years whilst another life of theirs was existing. At that point, it didn't really make sense for me, and I kind of thought that, well, maybe the clients kind of got the dates jumbled up or something like that. Obviously, in learning all of this theory, I go through it all myself and I come to the reality, that there are parallel quantum lives, and that really is a reality now. So all of your lives are happening at this very one moment. So parallel quantum lives means that they're all existing. It's not any linear time. It's not just having one incarnation after another. It could be that your soul has many different streams of consciousness or of itself, and that could be existing in 100, 500, 1,000 different lives that are happening right now. Now, they may be on this planet of Earth. It could be that they're on other planets as well, but they are all happening at the same time. Now, in the introduction video, I mentioned something called parallel decisions, and that's really where there's decisions that you feel that you may have turned your back on in this lifetime, and of course then they exist in your other lives as well. But in fact, when you think that you've taken one route, there's still a stream of your soul or your consciousness that's still living out the decision that you felt that you didn't make. So it's very complex, it's huge, and as we move through this course, I'm going to give you all of the information that you need to know to have a foundation in PQL, Parallel Quantum Lives, or to explore that yourself in your own journey. And it's good to do that because even if you're a therapist and you're doing this with your own clients, you really need to explore it for yourself. Now, I've put together a brief training manual. Some of the first modules have some scientific information in there for you about quantum physics and things like that. The video modules that I'm going to do with you, that you're going to watch and explore for yourself, they're moving beyond science, if you like. So that's coming from your own inner knowing. So that brings together the end of Module 1. We have some self-assessment tasks, I think possibly just one at the end of this module in the training manual. So make sure that you've downloaded that and you've got access to it. You don't need to submit any of the self-assessment tasks. Now, they're normally at the end of each module, but it's just to make sure that you're up to date and you're with the course as we move through. So once you've done that, I'm going to see you on Module 2. Have a great day.